Omugambi w'izooba Ronald Santana, manager wa TV West, ayegise minyeto ahabwe mushomo yabo kandi yagaruka yayoreka cyo kureberaho cya teknolojia eyarebera mu lutaya yorwe omihanga lya China. Ronald Santana yahige minyeteji okwehayo kurondera mubaze bizuwe birukurebwa abantu baburijo ekirije kubahwera kikabahereza entasi.
Don't get tired of thinking. Just know that something that is going to break. Like I gave the examples. Someone somewhere right now and somewhere tomorrow is going to come up with an idea, a concept, is going to solve a human problem and is going to get rich. And we've seen this happen before, like the examples I gave you. Zuckerberg woke up one morning and was like, people need to connect, people need to interact, people need to network. So he created a platform and the rest is history.
Eminyeta hansi y'ekigombe kya Empower Youth in Technology babaze kole mutimbagana ebiri omunumwe harimo gwa follow up hamwe na Let's Farm.
No matter how hard it might seem to be, it can be done.
Eminyeteji basimire manager wa TV West okubagana nabo ebyakumanya. Teknolojia ni emwe ha bintu ebirikusingayo kuruga sente obwo abantu abarikusingayo bugigo mu nsi egi yona n'abarukubikora. Gasha kwa Martin Byamukama.